vívomove HR, set an alarm. In order to use the alarm feature on vívomove HR, you must set it up via Garmin Connect. Select the icon of the paired device on top to enter the device settings. Select Device Settings. Select Alarms. Create an alarm and set the time and frequency. When finished, select Add. Enter the created alarm. You can change the time and frequency or delete the alarm. You can also create up to 8 alarms. After setting is finished, return to the main menu and wait for the sync to complete. Unlock the watch screen. Hold the screen to enter the menu. Select the clock icon. Enter the alarm icon. Here you can view, turn on or turn off the alarms you have created.